everyone. So today we're going to talk about ferrofluid and what it is, how to make a ferrofluid, and how to use a magnet to manipulate this fluid. So what does all this mean? Well, first off, let's talk about what a ferrofluid is. A ferrofluid is a fluid that's going to react to a magnetic field. It's not a magnet like the same way that we have a bar magnet. So instead, what it is a magnetic material that's in the ferrofluid. It's not actually liquid. What it is a bunch of nano-sized particles that are suspended in a liquid. The particles themselves are not magnetic on their own, so they wouldn't stick to our fridge or locker or anything like that. So what we call these particles are a paramagnetic. This means that if we do place them next to a magnet, the magnetic field will cause the particles to become polarized. What this means is that the magnetic field turns the particles into tiny little magnets that you can move around within the magnetic field. So this can be found on iron filings on a sheet of paper. They won't stick to the metal like a normal magnet, but they will react with already made magnets. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to mix ink toner, vegetable oil together and make the ferrofluid, okay? And then I'm going to take a magnet and I can actually manipulate it to show those tiny little magnets that are occurring when the particles become polarized. So let me get this stuff together and I will show you what I have. Okay. So right here I have my ferrofluid already mixed together in a little container, and I have my magnet. Now I have to be careful because I don't want to make a mess, but I've already kind of tested this theory out. And what I can do is I put the magnet very slowly, and what you can see is I'm already moving the liquid around. So I'll do it on this side so you can kind of see what's going on when I put the magnet close. And I can move it all around. I can put it on the bottom. And if we look, you can kind of see how it made these spikes. And I can move the fluid all around just because I have the magnet on the bottom. But it causes all these spiky things to come up. So I'm going to take the magnet off, and that is how you make a ferrofluid, and you can do tons of different things with this kind of stuff. It can be a fun art project. So anyway, that's my project. Hope you like it. Have a good day. Bye.